Hi everybody, welcome to today's edition of What's Next, Dominique? This is a series that gets us and me outside the proverbial box and into different settings and environments that help us to be informed, maybe open our minds, and even offer creativity. Well, today we get to immerse ourselves in something that Dallas is actually known for, and it's exclusive. Let's just say we get the insider's track in an experience that could be a shopaholic's dream. So good, in fact, my darling Courtney has come up to join me. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to Dallas Market Center, one of the largest markets in the world, literally 5 million square feet of retail. Why am I here? By invitation only. This is a trade place. Think of like New York Fashion Market. This is where people in the industry, whether it is fashion design, jewelry, home interior, and decor, this is where the buying and selling takes place. Well, if you watch or listen to Over 50 and Flourishing, you know I did a podcast with Makeup Junkie bag creator Meredith Jurica. She is here at Dallas Market. She invited us to be guests. We wanted to take you along with us to basically show you what this is all about. So let's go tour, shall we? Hey girl! Hey! Hey! So excited to be here.
I'm so excited to have you guys here. Let's go to market, guys.
Okay, let's do it. Got it.
I know.
I like the dog pajama pants.
So you're going to see a couple things. We are in a permanent showroom, which is like a glass front room where you are there for all year round.
Oh, wow.
And then I'm going to take you to the party floor, the temporary floor, where vendors from all over the country, it is loud and fun up there. Right. And they come and do pop-up booths with their brands, trying to get the attention of stores all over the country. We'll start here. We're on the diamond floor too.
Diamond floor. Anybody need a diamond?
These people mass sell jewelry to K Jewelers,
yes,
Jared's, any of those high-end jewelry dealers. Then when you go shop at like a Nordstrom's or something, after being here, you're just like,
I saw that. And look how much they're charging for it. Y'all. Oh, it's endless.
Hi, so this is one of our stores from New York. This is Dominique.
Hey, nice to meet you. What a pleasure.
This is Lindsay.
I followed you for so long.
Oh, thank you. She's been with me since the beginning. We've been best friends for 14 years, and she runs my Dallas showroom. And love, and peace, and hearts. No, I'm just kidding. Excited.
I am too. Okay.
Right. Y'all have fun, ladies. We're out of here.
Whatever happens in markets.
Yes.
Not when it's recorded on video. Yeah.
So if you see no minimum on the showroom, that means you don't have a minimum spend to purchase in that showroom.
Got it.
Which is cool. So
yes, that is, especially for amateurs like us.
But then you could say,
if you look down here, there's the Christmas floor. We can go down there too. And if you think all the decor that you see at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, all the Christmas holiday stores, those buyers purchase everything right here.
Wow. Oh, I like that. T-shirt and a tutu. I think I could do that.
Depending on the event.
It's the new stage of my life. I might leave here with that.
You're going to see a lot of people with the heavy gold chunk jewelry right now.
I've noticed that. I'm so glad I held on to some big chunky pieces.
So it's very good to see like this is what's going to be hot this fall because this is what all the stores are buying right now.
Wow.
Wrangler just brought on Lainey Wilson, so they did a ton of advertising this market. Here you're going to have all of our Western, like here's Ariat boots.
Oh my gosh.
Tacova's boots over there. You're going to have Cavender's, Lucchese boots, all of those bigger brands that you see in any Western stores. Everything is sold and purchased here at the market.
Amazing. So, you can smell the leather.
You can
over the escalator.
They have escalators on both sides. The elevator gets congested, so this is also a great way to see what each floor offers.
Yeah.
So I can't imagine being a store buyer and having to choose between all of these items.
I don't know.
See why I said you need a whole week just to look through the whole?
You know, it's a good thing we only have a few hours, honestly.
Lots of trends. These kind of handkerchief style embellishments that can be necklaces or hat charms are extremely popular right now.
Pay attention, scarves are really big. I love that layering. See, this is a great idea. You could take like a little tie scarf and twist it and add some charms to it. Or even like brooches. I mean, this is just a great place to come and get some ideas. It's like Flash Gordon. Can you see how much they are? I can't even see. What does it say? Does it say anything?
118.
That's it? Look at all of this. This is amazing.
girl, yes. Yes.
Right?
Immediately, yes.
Yes.
Immediately.
I just can't believe some of these brands that I used to love as a child. Never did I think I would grow up working around them for my career all the time.
That's a pretty cool feeling. Yeah, so it's not just the clothes or the purses or jewelry that you buy, but even a store's bag. Like, hello, there's the Makeup Junkie bag. Look at you. Look at that.
No.
See, that would go with turquoise jewelry and the black
that would
boots.
be awesome.
Would it not? Oh, it would. With the gold. I might have to make my first purchase.
Like, hello.
How much is this one? Okay, done. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yeah, it's a mess.
And it gets flooded out.
Yep. Oh, neat.
And it's all about decor.
Oh, that's amazing. Pin me. It's like prom.
I know.
Only better.
Corsage.
Right. Ah, fabulous. Thank you. I love it.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes, beyond.
I do love that one.
It's gonna look great on my black boots.
Let's go wrap around the back maybe.
Okay.
And then I'm going to take you to my friend who owns a company called Mixology, and she has perfume bars where you mix and match your own custom scents.
Okay.
So we have high-end perfumes here, and we also have very unique products like that too.
Great. You didn't think you could get out of this vlog, did you?
Keep me behind the camera.
I know.
Come on, I know you like things around
We took
here.
a stop by the boutique.
Oh, look, we
hub.
found the girls.
Okay, guys, this is called Mixology. They are a Texas-based company. A friend of mine who was one of the first friends I made when I joined the retail world. This is Sammy, the owner.
Hi, Sammy. Are we live?
We are.
Yes. No, we're not live.
To be
we're
edited
live
later.
to tape.
And she gave me a mic, which you know was.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm like.
Customizing fragrance for your home or for your body
Right.
is such a big thing. Like everybody wants something personalized, and there's nothing more personal than fragrance. They're also made with clean ingredients, made in Texas.
Well, where do you start? Like how?
Well, tell me about what you tend to like. Are you more earthy, beachy, clean, floral?
If I
sweet?
can smell like Hawaiian Tropic from the 1980s,
Okay.
I'm a happy camper.
I think I might already have it in one bottle.
You may.
Let's see. Yes.
What is that?
That is called Tempted. It's a pina colada in a bottle.
It is pina colada in a bottle.
So that one smells great all by
Yes.
itself, but let's just kind of add a couple of things to it to
Okay.
really just change it up a little bit that I think you'll love. So this
Okay.
is called Bear. This scent is saffron. A lot of people think it's a dupe for Baccarat Rouge.
Okay,
let's do it
that's
for you.
amazing.
Okay, so here's how this is gonna
Okay.
work. And then I'm gonna grab an empty bottle over here and I'm gonna custom blend this together. 1 pump of Free.
Okay,
1, 2 pumps of Tempted.
yeah.
1, 2, and 1 pump of Tenacious, that vanilla. And then you get to do this, the extra fun part here of
Okay.
blending it at the end.
Okay,
Here's the blending wand. So I'm gonna put this in here, and you are going to hold that in your hand.
okay.
Push the button and then let it go. You're blending it all together. Now that's probably good. Just do it until you're satisfied and then push the button again.
I am so glad we have clarified that this is a fragrance blender.
When you're ready, you can stop it.
Oh my God, it went faster!
Now you get to smell your custom blend.
Okay,
Let's see.
This is so good.
Let me smell. Oh, girl.
This is-
Let's just go.
Let's
On
just go
vacation.
to the
Meredith,
beach.
You have to smell
Ah.
this. We're at
Oh.
the beach. We're not at work.
but
Yes.
mixed with the softness.
Yes.
Oh, exactly.
Oh my
Great
gosh,
scent.
this is fun. It's my recipe.
Okay, this is your custom recipe. I'm gonna put it in your little pocket of your box
Oh,
here.
that's great. Oh, that is
Okay.
beautiful.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank
Oh
you.
my gosh, what
So-
a doll.
Yeah, you are so great.
Thank
oh my
you.
gosh.
So we're Judy Blue. These are Judy Blues, my favorites.
This is Diana with Blue Judy Blue.
Hi, I'm
Nice to meet
Dominique.
you.
It's
I'm
so
so
nice to meet
sorry.
you. And Judy Blue,
That is so cute. Look at you.
I
You're rocking it.
love your jeans. Yeah, what's hot this fall?
Well, featherweight.
Definitely.
Yes.
Featherweight, and then lots of flares.
Yep.
We have a new petite line.
Oh, great. I
It's more
love
clean.
that.
So tummy control.
Yep.
And then it comes for petite as well. And then we have our Rich and Magic, which is going to be 100% cotton in the front and stretchy on the back.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, Joe. I'll text Diane.
I know. Can I have some of those, please? Yeah.
Yes. Yes, I can totally see that. You don't sell any here, do you? No.
I'm going to Vegas. I need my samples.
I know.
Are you?
Representative of every man in America.
Say Vic in 20 years.
Exactly. Poor Vic. Yeah.
I am on trend this season, clearly. Me, my bestie. 20.
You can find it? Yes. Okay.
They're gonna get my money. Court, look.
I know. Exactly.
Exhibitor and I'm
See how cool they are.
Oh.
Those are cool.
Wild.
Those are really cool. Oh yeah, you see the ones that she has over there?
Look at those with the flares.
the flares.
Oh my gosh, they're so. We might need to try some fun.
Yeah. Okay.
Those are so cute.
OMG. Yes.
Oh,
Hair.
let's see it. Let's see it.
Okay, I don't think I could do these because they're literally falling off of me.
Oh, they're really cool though.
If they fit you, they would be fun.
Meredith, you've been like the hostess with the mostest. I mean, between this and my little tassel that I picked up from my boots. But honestly, and my super cool jeans, thank you for walking me around, introducing me to these incredible
You're welcome.
artisans, designers, retailers, vendors, you know, and giving me the inside track. You know, I've never known what this is like until now, and I am overwhelmed.
It is very overwhelming. So many people don't understand that like we talked about earlier, everything in stores that we all shop at every day comes from markets like this.
Yeah.
And, you know, brands like me that are kind of younger brands, you know, we love opportunities like this to show what we do every day for our career. And I'm glad you found some beautiful new
Really
unique
cool
pieces
stuff.
and those pants you got. So thank you for being our guest today. And thank you for letting me be your guest on your podcast.
Oh, thank you. I just had to show these one more time because I did get them. They're amazing. But it's been a pleasure getting to know you and to just hear your story. You know, I think women need to hear that your dream started at your kitchen table.
Yes.
And here we are today at Market in Dallas. And the other thing that nobody really saw, you know everybody and everybody knows you. So it's all about these connections and these relationships, and that's how it helps you grow. These relationships help, but they also help to inspire women who have a seed and a dream. It's like, hey, plant it, water it, and watch what can happen.
Absolutely. I mean, we were talking to the registration ladies downstairs, and they see thousands and thousands of customers this week, and they were like, "We remember your very first little booth," and it's moments like that where you just are so appreciative, and it almost makes me emotional too. Is that an idea can turn into a dream for somebody like me? So thank you for coming and being a part of it today.
Thank you so much. We are just over the moon excited.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
And I waited until the end of the day for this. I know we've been shopping, we've been talking to other brands today, but today I want you and Court to go shopping and pick 6 items out of my showroom here.
Oh, stop.
Purses, tote bags, Shark Tank bags as a thank you for having me on your podcast.
Meredith.
Appreciate you very much.
Thank you.
And there's so much good stuff in here too, so have fun.
Yes, because you've got man junk in here. So
Yes.
guess who's getting a tote bag? Because he took mine for
He's
travel.
getting a gift too. So.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
First, point me to what Vic might like because I got to get my bags back.
Okay, the pink purse I had on all day, that shape is really popular right now. I have tote bags.
Ugh.
Here's more of the camera box bags.
Stop.
Well, and the lifetime warranty, so let's say in 2 years you're like, oh, Mare, my stitching's coming loose. So our quality is so good, we lifetime guarantee them, you'll get a free replacement.
So my husband is like rocker chic crazy.
Rocker chic
He likes the wild stuff. Something like that.
Shatter brown.
Yes.
And we can custom make him when you can say he wants a neon yellow zipper and an electric ostrich. So,
And you'll be like, yeah, gotcha.
yep, gotcha, girl.
Okay. Which one?
This brown
Oh, I
bubble
knew it.
glitter.
I knew it.
chocolate
It's so
with
good.
gray.
It's so good.
That you can tell a female designed it.
Yeah.
Because every little thought was put into it. Like, we want
Right.
a zipper. We want feet. We want structure. We want prettiness. We want quality.
Yes.
We want perfect size. We don't
Right.
want to fit our things in here.
I love the red one.
No.
Right?
Have you felt it?
But is it okay? So do I do the biggest one or the smaller one? I'm confused.
You know which one I'm
Very
talking about.
do.
Yeah.
That's been washed a bunch of
Girl,
times.
do me like,
The equipment or your person.
Yes.
This one is the big one.
Okay. Is it okay?
Everything today. Cheers to you guys. Thank you for having me on your show, for real. Thank you for being our guest today. And
We all want to know what comes next for Dominique.
what's next, Dominique?